Students, the sum we are going to solve is based on standard normal distribution and binomial distribution. This sum is very important, which has come several times in markout exam 2007, 2012, 2016. The sum is a fair coin is tossed 400 times using normal approximation to binomial distribution. Find the probability of obtaining heads between 190 and 210 given that the area under standard normal curve between z equals to 0 and z equals to 0.05 is 0.0199 and between z equals to 0 and z equals to 1.05 is 0.3531. So let us start to solve the problem. It is given that the fair coin is tossed 400 times. So n equals to 400. This is given. Using normal approximation to binomial distribution. As we know that when normal distribution approximated to binomial distribution, then the mean in normal distribution is equal to the mean in binomial distribution, which is NP. So n equals to 400 and p is half. Why? Because to get a head, the probability is half for a fair coin tossing. Now this is 200, so mean is 200. Next is when the normal distribution is approximated to binomial distribution, the standard deviation sigma is √1 of variance x, which is equals to √1 of NPQ, because NPQ is the variance of binomial distribution. This is equals to root of 400 into p is half and q is 1 minus p, that is also half, and we are getting here 10. So we got the mean and standard deviation in normal distribution. Now we have to find the probability of obtaining heads between 190 and 210. In the last video, we have seen that the probability of getting x in between A and B, that was probability of getting x in between A and B is 1 by √2 pi A to B e power, obviously sigma, e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square dx. So here the probability of getting heads in between 210 to 190 is by subtracting minus mu, that is 200, which is less than x and less than x minus 200 and 210 minus 200. Now let us divide by 200 divided by sigma, and sigma we found as 10. X minus 200 by 10, which is less than 210 minus 200 by 10. So this one is probability to get the heads between 190 to 210, that is, here it is minus 10 by 10, that is minus 1. Less than this much we can write at capital Z, and less than plus 1. Because let us remember that x minus mu by sigma as capital Z we have substituted in the last video, and we got the normal probability integral or error function. So using that, we can write here 1 by root over 2 pi minus 1 to 1 e power minus z square by 2 dz. So this can be written as phi to z, that is phi 1 minus phi of minus 1, or in other way, in the question it has been given, see the question, given that the area under standard normal curve between z equals to 0 and z equals to 0.05 is 0.0199, and between z equals to 0 and z equals to 1.05 is 0.3531. So let us write this as 1 by root over 2 pi minus 1 to 0 e power minus z square by 2 dz minus, let us take 1 by root over 2 pi as common, then 0 to 1 e power minus z square by 2 dz, this is plus. Look by the integral properties, integration minus 1 to 0 and 0 to 1, actually both the results are same, so we can write it as 1 by root over 2 pi 2 into 0 to 1 e power minus z square by 2 dz. So this 2 into, look, 0 to 1 can be, this 2 is outside, and this is 1 by root over 2 pi. This 0 to 1 can be written as 0 to 1.05 e power minus z square by 2 dz minus integration 0 to 0.05 power minus z square by 2 dz. Now see, both the values are given in the question. So see here, the area under standard normal curve between z equals to 0 and z equals to 0.05 is 0.0199, and between z equals to 0 and z equals to 1.05 is 0.3531. So these are actually the integral value of these. So we can write here the values. Here the value is 0.0199 and 0.3531. So this is nothing but 2 into 0.35 3531 minus 0.0199. Now if we calculate it, 0.3531 minus 0.0199, that is equal 0.3332 and multiplied by 2 equals to, this is equals to 0.6664, which is actually 0.67 if we take 2 decimal places. So this is the answer.